time. I just love story time, but today it's extra special because it's Halloween. Look at all of our fun costumes. I love dressing up. I wonder what Halloween story we're going to read today. Let's find out.
Hi, friends. Thanks for joining us for story time today. Today we are reading a Halloween story called Click, Clack, Boo, a Tricky Treat, written by Doreen Cronin and illustrated by Betsy Lewin. Farmer Brown does not like Halloween. Witches give him nightmares. Pirates give him shivers. Jack-o'-lanterns flicker spooky shadows on the wall. Farmer Brown leaves a bowl of candy on the porch. He puts up a Do Not Disturb sign. He draws the shades and locks the door. But in the barn, the Halloween party has just begun. There is a crunch, crunch, crunching as the mice scurry across the field. There is a creak, creak, creaking as the sheep slowly push open the barn door. There is a tap, tap, tapping, and the cows go to the window to let the cats in. Farmer Brown does not like the sounds of Halloween night. He checks the lock on the door. He peeks through the window. There is a dark creature standing beneath the trees. Farmer Brown runs to his room, pulls on his pajamas, and climbs under the covers. He hears the crunch, crunch, crunching of leafy footsteps heading towards the house. There is a creak, creak, creaking on the old boards of the front porch. Then a tap, tap, tapping on the front door. Farmer Brown pulls up his covers tight. He hears a quack, quack, quackle in the crisp night air. Quackle! Farmer Brown jumps out of bed. The porch is empty. The candy bowl is gone. There is a new note on Farmer Brown's door. Halloween party at the barn. Farmer Brown runs to the barn. There is a creak, creak, creaking on the old boards of the front porch and a crunch, crunch, crunching of leafy footsteps heading toward the barn. There is a tap, tap, tapping on the window. It's the Best Costume Award. Happy Halloween!
Thanks for joining us, friends, for this special Halloween story time. This is so much fun. See you next time.